Hey Bonita National fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing one of our newest listings here at Bonita National. It's 28040 Cookstown. This is the downstairs coach home unit. It's called the Florence floor plan. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage, just under 1,800 square foot. You've got the nice side entry here with long pavered walkway. And as soon as we get into the home, it's going to open up into a nice, great room design here. Let's take a look. As we walk in, you've got a nice entry here, and immediately you're going to see your dining, living space, as well as the kitchen here, in all one nice open space. But first, we're going to start over to our left here. This is where you're going to find the guest bedrooms, the laundry, and access to your garage. So right there is your 2-car garage. And as we come inside, you'll have your laundry space here with full-size washer and dryer. You've got your guest bedrooms back here as well. Guest bedroom 1 and guest bedroom 2 here. And just across the guest bedrooms is your guest bath. Now, some things to take notice of that this owner has done, they have painted the cabinets here white, which is a nice upgrade, and they've also painted the walls this attractive gray color here. One other thing to take note in here in this coach home is you do have a pocket door, so you can close this all off and give your guests some privacy back here. Now, coming out into the main area here, you're going to have the kitchen nicely tucked away here. Nice eating kitchen area, good sized pantry, and again, you've got the upgraded cabinets here that were painted white. You've got a nice backsplash here, all looking out onto your main areas. These owners also added plantation shutters as well throughout the home. And then over here, we're going to see the master bedroom. This is a large master bedroom. That's a king-size suite there, just for perspective. Again, you've got the plantation shutters. You've got access out to your screened-in lanai. His and hers closets here. And you've got the nice master bath here with the dual sinks, the corner shower. You also have the soaking tub, your enclosed water closet, as well as an additional linen closet. Now, last but not least, we are going to take a look outside here. And out here on the lanai, you'll notice that they've added the wood-like tile here. A beautiful little addition. Huge lanai here, plenty of space for eating and relaxing. The owners here also added the picture frame type screens out here. So notice you don't have any bars across your screens, which make for a really nice view of your sunsets, which would be occurring directly out here. A couple other things out here. These owners have added some ceiling fan and light fixtures, as well as, some nice fixtures throughout the home. All right, guys, so this home here, it's being sold unfurnished with all the nice little upgrades that we've seen as we've gone through today. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property Group, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you guys watching.